Oh, Christopher.
Oh man, come here. Why you always
You
sneaking up
spoiled
on
it.
me like this? Yes,
Hey, but you're looking out for him, dude.
Where the mic?
Oh, let's get the mic. There we go.
I feel better with the mic on me. What's going on, Heat Press Nation? This your man Chris Greasy God.
Who's about to steal my job?
About to steal his job. I want this job. I want to move to California. California love. Girl, you better stop. Hey guys, welcome back to the Forever Booth.
Dude,
Jared, thank you so much for stopping.
Dude,
in, man.
thank you
know I love
so
when
much
you
for
come
being
in
such
here.
a good sport, by the way.
Always a good
There's not
sport.
a lot of people I could sneak up on here.
I know. I'm a good sport, but I'm bad at sports, you know. I can't really get that. What we got going on here today? What you want to take us off
You
to?
tell me. So we're here at the Forever Booth, obviously, but this is your domain, bro. So if you want to just kind of give us a little tour, I'd love to see what you guys got going on.
Oh man, as always, you know I love to hit my little stereo case over here, so go ahead and check out this beautiful case. I like to load it up with amazing hard surface transfer products that we're able to make with our MultiTrans Pro. This is a laser printer product or a white toner printer product. Crack it open,
it's
man.
not locked, bro. I'm about to steal some stuff,
bro.
though.
They've already gotten it. Don't worry. We're in Vegas. You know what happens here stays here or leaves with you. I don't know. But we have all of these beautiful things going on here, available to do with your laser printer or your white toner printer. And I think that's one point I want to make a point on this time around, guys. Everybody loves to say the word white toner, right? Oh, I need to use a white toner printer. Oh, I need to buy a white toner printer. But with Forever products, you can absolutely just use your laser printer as well.
Like a regular black and white laser printer.
A regular black and white laser printer, a regular CMYK laser printer. Those bad boys are $300, $400, $500 at your local place that you can go buy today and start making beautiful graphics and t-shirts just like this. Don't get me wrong, Creole, you have a heart. In me, I wear you on my sleeve, baby girl, but you can absolutely take it off. I'm telling high school students, college students, people that are just getting started in the business because this economy is trash. I don't have financing, I don't have good credit. I can't put down $8,000 for a Creole printer, even though I would love to. That would be a car for me, okay? But you can absolutely go grab a laser printer, guys, and start making the same quality material as the people with the big boys. Stop undervaluing yourself. Make sure to find out all the options that are out there and go grab you a good laser printer and get started making some money with Heat Press Nation and Forever Transfers, all right?
Can you tell us, so what are some of the products the Forever products that people can use that they could do, let's just say with a monochrome, like a black and white? Like, what do you got?
Boom, my number one and my favorite one is my FlexSoft piece of paper, guys. This piece of paper, you only need to print in black for this because guess what? Watch out. The paper has color on the back. We have 25 different colors of paper from matte, metallic, neon. You can use any of those with a simple laser printer. This is an $89 printer, guys. You only print in black with it, and you can absolutely still make beautiful prints with that FlexSoft with this printer right here. No matter if you're just now
this little guy, this little puppy right here.
That's a little pup. 8.5 by 11. I understand it's a bit small. Get the right software. You can easily make a 11 by 17, 13 by 19 print with it and not have to worry about getting a bigger size printer.
Wow.
$89. You can absolutely make beautiful one color single transfer items, graphics, and garments with it with just this bad boy in that FlexSoft no-cut paper.
That's
so
incredible.
I love your Creo, but you don't technically need a Creo to use this beautiful product right here. Make sure to see what FlexSoft is all about. It's a very inexpensive option entering the market of custom garment printing, and you just keep making these until you stack up enough money to go buy you one of these, and then you're going to keep making enough money to go buy me a Lamborghini or something, guys, because I gave you the information first. Okay?
So I got to ask, now, when people do move up to the Creo, because we just came from their booth, awesome stuff. We were hyping up the Forever Laser Dart. Can you show us that? You got some samples that we can see, Forever Laser Dart?
Let's see what I have over here. Ka-chow. This would be that Forever Laser Dart once again, guys. Beautiful, beautiful white background helps that beautiful picture of Hulk pop. Now, let's go into white toner just a little bit, right? White toner is a great product, not because it's just a bigger printer, it has a larger size, but because of that main word, white. That white helps your images pop no matter what color graphic or garment that it's on. Take, for instance, I was to take a red crayon and paint on this black canvas here. That red would turn more into a maroon color because that black starts to leak through that. Imagine me putting it on a white canvas instead. That red color will stay true to itself. That's how white toner works. I put it on a black garment, but I laid down foundation of white so that image stays true to its natural color. White toner is important, do not get me wrong. The FlexSoft is great at that because we don't technically need the white for it because all of that comes from the actual sheet. It's still good to have that white, it helps with the adhering of it, but you don't technically need it all the time. And that's another big thing. Know when to pick and choose what battles you're going to use that white for, because white toner ain't cheap toner. It's still a good toner, but it's not the cheapest one out there. So make sure to use your best knowledge to know which one to use it on and which one to not use it on. For instance, you don't need it with the MultiTrans Pro necessarily. You can absolutely print any of these without having that white background on it. Just print the natural colors and you are good to go.
Oh, what do we got
All right,
here?
so what we have right here, I had to bring it over to my white toner station,
sparkles.
guys. This is not just a beautiful sparkly sheet of paper. This is our all new amazing DTF glitter film that you see right in front of you. Everybody knows how glitter feels. We've all had a glitter shirt, no matter if you're a boy, girl, whoever. In this lifetime, you may have touched some glitter and you have probably thought it's itchy, it's scratchy. It is so messy to the hand and you're gonna get that leftover residue. Jared, give that a feel for me. Let me know how you think.
Oh, wait a second, wait a second. Oh, that feels fantastic, dude.
It feels do you feel the glitter at all on that film?
I don't. That's what's tripping me out. Like, I was already expecting, because I know glitter, I was already expecting to just have a little bit of that rough texture.
A little rough texture.
Which, you know, we're used to it by now.
Yeah, it just happens. It's
but
nostalgic.
then to not have that is like, wait, where'd it go?
Where did it go?
Yeah.
Isn't it funny that
That's
Forever
awesome.
has come up with the idea to simply add just one extra layer right there on top of that glitter film.
Wow.
Things that people could have been doing for such a long time, guys, to just avoid that coming off of there. It peels off, it gets messy on your hands, you find it in your mouth, your hair, your ears, your nose, your eyes, everywhere the next few days.
Yeah.
Not with Forever DTF glitter, guys.
Yeah.
And that's one of our flagship products right now. It's doing really, really good in the market. So Jared, thank you again, man, for stopping in. It's always a pleasure having me on your platform.
Yeah.
This is my platform now.
It's my
Having me
pleasure.
on my own platform here at Heat Press Nation, guys. I'm not here to help you stay in the print game for a day. I'm not here to help you stay in the print game for a week. I'm here to help you stay in the print game forever. Talk to you soon.